Hello everybody and welcome to Pixmux Tuts. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a camera source within OBS Studio's fresh install. Without further delay, let's get to it. First thing you're going to want to do is open OBS Studio. In the bottom left hand side, you'll see an area called Sources. There's two ways in which you can add sources. One is to right click on the empty area and hit Add, and that'll allow you to choose a source. The other is to hit the plus button. I'm going to choose video capture device, and I'm going to name this cam. Click OK. Now this allows you to choose any of the cameras that open up on OBS Studio that it detects. So right now it's the user facing right, and from the drop down you can see I also have our HD Pro webcam C90. Once you select that, it allows you to drag and move that camera around to whatever area you want, and you can resize that as well. Another option is to right click on it, go to transform, and fit to screen or stretch to screen. That's all there is to installing OBS Studio's webcam or a camera in OBS Studio. Please stay tuned for more videos to show you how to install a microphone in OBS Studio and further. Thanks for watching. Peace.